Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching Star Technology 5G. In today's video I will show you how you can enable the serial communication interrupts. So let's start the video. Enabling serial communication interrupt. All interrupts are disabled by default, meaning that no one will be responded to by the microcontroller if they are activated. The interrupt must be enabled by software in order for the microcontroller to respond to them. The INTCON register is responsible for enabling and disabling the interrupts. For enabling the serial communication interrupt, we must enable the global interrupts. After that, we will enable the peripheral interrupts. PIE1. The PIE1 contains peripheral interrupts control bits. How to enable serial communication interrupt? Project description. In this project, LED are connected to RD0 and RD1 pin of the PIC16F887 microcontroller, and the microcontroller is operated from a 11.0592 MHz crystal. LEDs are connected in current sinking mode, and the value of the resistor is 260 ohm. The TX output of the microcontroller RC6 and RX input of the microcontroller RC7 pin are connected to the MAX232 level converter chip and then to the serial input of the PC using DB9 pin type connector. When we will press 1, LED 1 turn on, and when we will press 2, LED 2 turn on. Circuit diagram. Here is the circuit diagram we are using in our project. Here is the PIC16F887 microcontroller. Pin number 1 is a master reset. Pin number 14 and 13 interface with the crystal. We are using 11.0592 MHz crystal, and we are using 22 PF capacitor. Here is the RD0 pin and RD1 pin interface with the LED. We are using current sinking mode, and the value of the resistor is a 260 ohm. Here is the MAX232 RC6 pin interface with the pin number 10 and RC7 pin interface with the pin number 9. The output of the MAX232 is interface with the DB9 pin connector, and other side of the DB9 pin is interface with the PC. So let's try it circuit in a Proteus, and after that we will test that circuit. Fan circuit is ready. Now we will write its code in MPLAB. After that we will test this circuit. Friends, main file is ready and I already wrote a code, otherwise video get marginal. I will copy this code and I will paste it. I will explain you the code. Here is the PIC16F887 bit configuration. Here is the exe header file, and that is the PIC16F887 header file. Here we define a crystal frequency. Here is LED1 we define on RD0 pin, and LED2 pin we define on RD1 pin. Here is we define one variable REC, and here is the interrupt routine. Any data we receive in RC/REG register, it will copy in REC. If RC is equal to 1, it will toggle the LED1, and if REC is equal to 2, it will toggle the LED2. From here, main code is start. In main code, we will set TXSTA is equal to 0x20. It will enable the serial communication and it will enable the low baud rate. SPVR will set the 96 baud rate and it will set the crystal frequency 11.0592 MHz. RCSTA is equal to 0x90. It will enable the serial communication. TRIST is equal to 0x00. After that, we will set the int count. This is 0x0. It will enable the global interrupt and it will enable the peripheral interrupt. After that, we will set PIE1. We will set 0x20. It will enable the receive interrupt. After that, we will clear the LED1 and clear the LED2 and we will wait here. And whenever we will receive the 1, it will toggle the LED1, and when we receive the 2, it will toggle the LED2. Now we will generate its text file. Just click on build my project. Friends, file is created. Now we will load this text file into our project. Double click on controller and select text file. And click on run simulation. Echo type character. You can see when we will press 1, it will turn on this LED, and when we will press 2, it will turn on this LED. When we will press again, it will turn off, and when we will press 2 again, it will turn off this LED. If you can see, that is controller is stay here, but still it is response on the interrupt. Okay friends, if you have any problem in code, let me know in comments and keep watching Star Technology 5G.